Hi everyone, I'm Shania from Early On. I'm going to be doing another science experiment. If you haven't watched my last video, be sure to go check it out. It's on our YouTube page. I was making lava lamps out of water bottles. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be taking another water bottle, but this time I'm going to be using a balloon. So what I'm going to try to do is blow up a balloon using a water bottle. So with that, I'm going to use two ingredients. So I'm going to take baking soda and vinegar, and I'm going to mix them together, and we're going to see if it's going to blow up the balloon. So what I'm going to ask you is to make a prediction. So what we think is going to happen. Then once we have watched what happened, we're going to then think about what actually happened. And once we think about what actually happened, we're going to think about why we thought it happened that way compared to the way that we thought it was going to happen. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a balloon, and I'm going to put it on my funnel because it's a lot easier to get the baking soda in the balloon using a funnel. So we're going to take a couple scoops, and we're going to make the balloon get nice and full. All right, perfect. So then we're going to take that off. Going to set our balloon aside. Then we're going to take our water bottle and our funnel, and then we're going to pour the vinegar in the water bottle. Next, we are going to take the balloon and we're going to put it over the water bottle. Just be careful because they do break quite easily. All right, so now I'm going to take the balloon and I'm going to tip it up so that the baking soda falls into the water bottle. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's see what happens. Ah! Oh, I can feel the balloon getting very cold. Do you see that it's blowing up? Wow, look at that, and it's still going. You see the bubbling of the baking soda and the vinegar? Wow, that's awesome. All right, did you guys have fun watching that? So what actually happened? By mixing those together, the balloon did blow up. So instead of using our mouth, what we usually do to blow up a balloon, we used two ingredients that mixed together that did not like each other. So they made a reaction. So baking soda and vinegar do not mix well. They form a reaction. So by that reaction, it created air in the water bottle that then tried to escape and blew up the balloon. All right, I have so much fun making science experiments. Well, I hope you had fun. Be sure to try it at home. And until next time, bye everyone.